Sometimes sellers price a home based upon what they need. That is, how much money they need to accomplish their goals. That goal could be to purchase their next home all cash, or perhaps they need a very large down payment on their next purchase, or they need the cash to retire. There are thousands of reasons why they need how much they need. But if they establish the sales price of their home based on their personal need and not on market value or what a buyer is willing to pay them, then that becomes problematic. And I understand that it's what you need. This house might be your only real asset, and you're hoping you get enough cash out of the sale to maybe retire or move to a state where houses cost a fraction of what they cost in California. And you can then have a good chunk of cash left over even after purchasing the next home and to live the rest of your life comfortably. But unfortunately, the market doesn't care about what we need. And if you price your house correctly, you might actually end up getting more than market value, especially in a seller's market. But if you overprice your house, then you might not get enough potential buyers to even look at your house.